Hello friends, I am Dr. Harkishan Mamtani, consultant neuropsychiatrist from Nagpur. Today I am going to demonstrate the exercise of Jacobson's progressive muscle relaxation, that is JPMR. It is an excellent exercise to help people with anxiety issues. In fact, I also suggest people to do this exercise to maintain their normal mental well-being, even in the absence of any psychiatric or mental health symptoms. I would suggest that you do this exercise twice every day, once before you go off to sleep and once in the daytime before you start your work. So let's go ahead with the procedure.
Now take a comfortable position on the bed. Lie down on the bed as comfortably as you can on your back, with all the parts of your body loose, light, and free. Be calm and comfortable. Keep your eyes closed lightly. Now let us start the practice. As you go on doing it, concentrate on the feelings from within your muscles and body. Observe the changes, the tightness, and then the development of light, soothing sensations within. It is natural to have stray thoughts during the procedure. Avoid stray thoughts as best as you can. But even if you get such thoughts, gently try to bring your attention back to the procedure. Be calm, quiet, and still. Avoid any extra movements of the body. Now make your body completely loose, light, and free. Now let us start with clenching both your fists at a time, as tightly as you can. Feel the tension and then slowly release them. Observe the difference. Feel the lightness in your palms and be relaxed. Observe the lightness growing in your hands and feel still more relaxed. Now clench your fists and bend your arms. Tighten your arm muscles as tightly as you can. Feel the tightness in your arm muscles. And then make them loose and light. Let your hands be straight, free, and light. Observe the light feeling within your muscles of the arms. Feel the lightness in your hands and be relaxed. Keep the entire body loose and light. Be calm and relaxed. Relax more and more, still further. Now straighten your hands as tightly as you can. Make them stiff and press them by the side of your body. Still more. Now gradually relax your hands at the back of your arms and forearms. Keenly observe the soothing sensation within and be relaxed. Observe the growing lightness in your hands. Now let us move to your face. Start with wrinkling your forehead. Push your eyebrows upwards and then slowly soothe it out. Observe the comfortable sensation in your forehead and be relaxed. Keep the entire body loose and light. Next, just press your tongue to the roof of your mouth in a flat manner. Do not coil your tongue, just press it as tightly as possible. Observe the tension in your tongue and then slowly make it loose and light. Open your mouth slightly and feel the soothing sensation in your tongue and be relaxed. Observe the difference. Be calm and relaxed. Deeply relaxed. Now press your lips against each other as tightly as you can. Do not bite, just press them towards each other. Feel the tension within and slowly release them. Make them loose and free. Observe the lightness within and be relaxed. Still more relaxed. Go deeper and deeper into relaxation. Now bend your head forward and let your chin touch the chest. Observe the tension in your neck muscles. And now turn it to the left. Again, bring it to the middle and then to the right. Now touch the chin to the chest again and slowly keep it back on the bed. Make it loose and free, completely light and loose. Observe the soothing sensation within and be relaxed. Keep the entire body loose and light. Feel the relaxation in your hand and neck. Be calm and relaxed, still more relaxed. Now bend the head backwards and turn it left and then to the right. Very good. Observe the tension and slowly release it. Get back to your normal position. Feel the soothing sensation within and be relaxed. Be still more relaxed. Keep the entire body loose and light. Now bend your shoulders upwards in an arch like manner, as tightly as you can. Still more tightly. Feel the tension in your muscles. And then slowly release them. Feel relaxed. Be still more relaxed. Now bend your shoulder backwards. Press them against your bed as tightly as you can. Feel the tension and slowly release it. Make it completely loose and free. Observe the difference. Concentrate on the growing lightness in your neck and shoulder. Now take a deep breath and expand your chest as best as you can. Feel the tension in your chest and slowly release it. Observe the comfortable sensation within. Breathe lightly and gently. Keep the entire body loose and light. Now swell your belly with air, still more tightly. Once you start to feel the tightness, slowly make it loose and free. Breathe freely. Observe the lightness in your abdomen and be relaxed. Now shrink your belly in as tightly as possible and feel the tension. Slowly make it loose and light. Observe the difference. Breathe lightly and gently. Be calm and relaxed. Now tighten your thigh muscles as tightly as possible. Feel the tension and slowly release them. Feel the difference. Keep the entire body loose and light. Shrink more into your bed. Be relaxed. Now bend your heels down and tighten your calf muscles. Feel the tension within. And then slowly release them. Make them loose and light. Be calm and relaxed. Still more relaxed. Now bend your toes upwards. Feel the tension in your legs and toes. And then slowly release them. Make them completely loose and free. Observe the soothing sensation and feel deeply relaxed, calm and relaxed. Now bend the toes downwards as tightly as you can. Feel the tension within your toes and feet, and slowly release them. Observe the difference. Observe the soothing sensation in your toes and legs. Be calm and relaxed, deeply relaxed, still more relaxed. Now, slowly draw in a deep breath and slowly release it. Keep the entire body loose and light and free. Concentrate on the growing lightness in your hands, face, neck, shoulder, chest, abdomen, back, and legs. Relax now more and more, further and further, deeper and deeper. Count from 1 to 4 and 4 to 1. Now start 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very good. Slowly open your eyes. And now slowly get up. Sit for a while. Now you are completely relaxed, fresh, and comfortable.